Alright guys, we are back here at Dixie Speedway. As you can see, there's a pretty good crowd forming up. Me and Alton are going to be racing today, and we are going to be racing the RSX and the Neon. Alton will be in that car, I'll be back in the Neon. The Neon is fixed right now from where I hit the wall last race. Alton's car, he's done some work on to get it really going, and so he's planning on getting this thing out more. It's just making sure that everything's working on it, which is what he's going to do tonight. It's kind of a test with it, and he will most likely, if it's running right, be up at the front of the pack, whereas I'll be more towards mid to back, just because we know how this car is here at this track. So we're going to go ahead and get to hot lap / qualifying, and then we'll check back with you guys after that. So we are now done with hot laps. The Neon is doing okay. I went very slow in the heat, or hot laps. Sorry, I don't know why I keep calling it heat. But I went very slow in the hot laps just to be safe. I wanted to make sure that everything in the right front where I wrecked previously, we tightened everything up and it wasn't just gonna fly off and then I'm back into the wall. So I'm now very comfortable. There at the end, I was starting to push it a lot more, getting to the gas early. So we're all good there. Alton, on the other hand, I'll let him talk, but he hit the wall as you guys see in the footage, pretty hard. I'll just let him talk about it, so we'll go ahead and let him take over.
All right, guys, so as Connor's already told you, I guess, we had kind of a rough practice / hot lap session in the 39. We think possibly there was a little bit of oil down over in between turn 3 and 4. I was one of the unlucky ones that got into it. Engine felt really strong as compared to Sonoya last year. Had some engine work done on it, went to the dyno, been working really hard on the car, and it does stink to put all that effort into it and have it go up like that. But we'll be back, and we got a couple of parts that need to be straightened out and some that need to be replaced. But overall, it was a solid 1 lap that we did get out of the car. But yeah, looking forward to getting back out here and just fixing the car.
So guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and hop into the feature. But before we do that, I do want to say that I'm looking forward to the race. I hate it for Alton. He's worked really hard on this car, and I hate that he literally only got like 1 lap in. And then the Neon though is, I think, back to how it should be kind of. And so my goal this time is just to keep it more under control, but pick up some pace at the same time and not hit the wall. Hopefully we'll finish the race, not staying on the lead lap, but hopefully we'll at least get all the laps in that we can, whether lap down or not, but not wreck it, not put it in the wall. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the race.
before these guys get started.
Yeah.
Give us the lowdown.
All right, pumped I finished the race here at Dixie. Still some things I know I need to work on, but the car, I was full throttle all the way down the straight and it had nothing for it. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I'm glad I finished. We're about to have a green flag here, so I'll finish later. So as I was saying from earlier, I'm super glad that I finished a race here. There's stuff to work on. And one thing I hate is that Alton didn't get to go out there for the race. It was a really good race. Okay, so I can finally finish the outro. I don't even know where I was at. All right, guys, so we're gonna get back home and get some sleep. It's late. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope it was entertaining for you, and we'll see you later.